Dude, this folding sleeper sofa bed couch cushion thing is super versatile and it's an incredible value. I wanted to show you it. Just bought this convertible sofa bed. I think so. I was doing product research. These things are super popular. You can find them on like all this, like TikTok, they go crazy on there. So I was wondering, like, people are raving about these. I was doing some product research. I really wanted to get one. When I came across this company, I knew it was the right one. Tons of people, like hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people are buying this every month. And there are tons and tons of 4.5 and 5 star written reviews of people saying like this is the one to get. So that's the reason I got it. It's amazing. It's a really high quality. The thing I love about it is it really does have the thickness and feel of a mattress, and when you double it up, it's even more comfortable. So when you're just using it in the lounge position, like I guess like the seat, just the regular chair position, it's really nice. When you have it against a wall, it's definitely preferred because you get a little more support. But this is really padded and comfortable. Like I could picture like 8 people in this room just all having one of these. So really good value for like more of a budget kind of like seating area, maybe even in like a yoga studio or something like that. You could do that. You've got an extra pillow that comes with it. I guess I'll go ahead and just show you the different ways you can use it. You do have the Velcro on the side. So when you got this, the reason it stays up is you've got these Velcroed down. So that's really nice. Let's so you can put that down as well. But let's go ahead and let's just put it down into an actual just straight up bed. So this actually is a straight up like twin size bed with a really comfortable mattress. When you think about the versatility of that, maybe you're in a dorm studio, or maybe you just need some extra stuff for seating and sleeping when guests come over. You get a few of these, dude, you are good to go. You can also just like, put these up. So it's like you're able to kind of like sit down in more of like a lounge position like this. And there's another way you can do it. I'm not even going to bother showing you, but you can see how easy this is to use. Super comfy. It's very easy to understand why this is the one that's selling. I also love the color too. Highly recommend.